If you're thinking about buying a house in 2026, how much money do you actually need? And no, you don't necessarily need a 20% down payment. Let's break it down. The first thing you need is your down payment. Depending on the type of loan you qualify for, that could be as little as 3% down on some conventional loans, 3.5% with an FHA loan, and certain VA and USDA loans may offer zero down financing for eligible buyers. So let's use a $400,000 house as an example. A 5% down payment would be $20,000. At 10% down, you'd need $40,000. And if you put the traditional 20% down, that's $80,000. But your down payment isn't the only cash you need. You also have closing costs. These can vary quite a bit, but buyers should generally plan for roughly 2% to 5% of the purchase price. On a $400,000 house, that could mean another $8,000 to $20,000. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean you'll personally write a check for every dollar of those closing costs. Depending on the market and the deal you negotiate, you may be able to get the seller to contribute towards some of your closing costs. There may also be lender credits or assistance programs available, depending on your situation. Then there's the part I don't think buyers talk about enough: the money you should still have after closing. I would not recommend draining your bank account just to get into a house. Homes need repairs, appliances break, furnaces go out, and life doesn't stop costing money just because you bought a house. So if buying the house leaves you with almost nothing in savings afterward, I'd seriously consider whether you're stretching too far. Here's the bottom line: you don't need $100,000 sitting in the bank to buy a $400,000 house, and you don't automatically need 20% down. But you do need enough for your down payment, your share of the closing costs, and a reasonable financial cushion after you get the keys. Instead of asking, what's the absolute minimum amount of money I need to buy a house? I'd ask, how much do I need to buy the house and still be financially comfortable afterward? That's a much better number to build your home buying plan around. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more straightforward real estate advice.